A lesson for the teacher. Just another poem of the times by Writing Elk the poet. And it goes like this. There was once a teacher in their corner. Anyone and everyone could have reached and tried to storm her. They did. She taught them well. Taught them how to count on her, to read the signs and to spell. Taught them how to learn and how to use learning to try and get things done. Getting the tides turning in their favor, and all such other sum. Adding it all up together to weigh about 1 ton. Then one day, while waiting for the receipt for their pay, it so happened that many of them started learning at the same time even. They mastered the art of learning, living, and doing things. In the arts, crafts, and literature, all while reading. But in all their learning, there were a few things that they did not learn, like how to know how to keep their secrets in their throats, how to talk slowly, if and when they must. So they went out shouting their many blessings on the mountaintops and all other platforms that they were given to chat on, telling everyone about what they just found out, while cursing out their guts in the public house with no regard for how the accursed may feel about it, or what they might do in return to try and fix the broken bits, like when they were about to fix them up good and proper, because they knew fully well that their science was stronger than Obeah. Mightier is the power in their powerhouse of blazing gangja. They are known for nailing people for their rights and freedom. Will not hesitate to do so again if they have to blaze some more fia, pan the wee dumb. Name call those who sit above them, with little or no regard for the sword, the scepter, or the power of the pen. Scorn those who were in the same rocking old boat with them, and sow discord among their fellow men. Curse out their guts because they have never been anything but free men or women who have never been brutalized or dehumanized by others who used and abused them. But one day, while they were waiting for the results of their pay and for the chieftain's ascension for which the ballots were already sculpted, to hooray, in comes the stranger against the popularist sulks, sir. He was gracious, uncharacteristically so. The winner wasn't who many had supposed he would be. The winning hand came falling upon a wayward stranger like me. Winner man started out getting our support, and his opponents too, slowly so. But no, the defeated wasn't going to be cheated and lay low like us. The weak head, not for long. Started preaching his many virtues again, from the top of the mountainous program, to the fiercest chagrin of the newly elected and growing well-acclaimed chieftain. He wasn't accustomed to being sidelined in his own kingdom. So guess what was next in line and waiting to come? Yes, my good son, somebody had to run. Speaking of the kingdom, there was yet one for them to overcome. But Nung, man, go sidong because this poet has spoken his cause. Over to you to like, share, and comment. We would appreciate it if you would subscribe and follow us somewhere too. Thank you.